Where's Riri? She needs to get in on this. Burnaby is watching like a hawk. Oh, here he comes.
Riri just immediately scoop one up out of the water and just run away with it.
That pink one. Oh, there it goes.
They both kind of just ran into the wall.
Where's Daniel and Cracker?
No, it's sleeping.
Can you mute that? Riri! Where is she?
I don't know.
Burnaby James, what do you think? Cracker!
Yeah, I'll go look for them.
Sorry. Riri's going to be a real watchful, and I think she'll strike after she's thoroughly investigated. But we'll see. Do you see this, Shiloh?
Oh, awesome. Wait, what? Fissies. Hi, Fissies. Wait, can I catch up, Fissy?
No.
Down in the meadow in an itty bitty pool, swam three little fishes and a mama fishy too. Where's Riri?
First one to sniff. Fish.
I don't see her around.
She's usually in your room.
Yeah, I guess I didn't check in the room all that well. Could be.
Did she get neighbor's room, maybe?
Geary!
She under the couch, maybe? I think she would have come out by now.
Oh, here she comes. Hey, Gary.
She
Riri!
was down there. Why are they just staying still? Do they need you like kicking out to show for a bit?
I don't know. Pick them up, put them back.
Can't see me.
Maybe they knew Riri was coming. They're like, don't move. There they go. Lulu might surprise us. She might take them out. What do you think, Riri? This is why I wanted the clear side so they could bend down and look through the side and everything.
Yeah.
She says, I think it's wet. Well, at least you know your fish tank would be safe around these ones.
Not for long. You're gonna drown. They're very good. Oh my gosh. I didn't expect them to move so much like fish.
Yeah.
Part of me thinks it would be cool to permanently have them as a fixture
Mm-hmm.
or something.
In an actual tank.
Yeah, a fake tank.
Yeah. You just put the lid on this.
You could watch them roam about, and it would be so much cheaper than actual fish.
You don't actually have to feed them. Oh.
They'll never die. And
Wheezy was making moves.
they'll never die and need to be buried and stuff.
Okay, it's always going to be too soon to bring that up, Kenneth.
The batteries,
Always. Okay.
The batteries will run out, and then they'll.
Well, I don't think they have batteries. They seem to be like those little water-powered toys that are powered by, what is it?
They're powered by water, yeah.
Water temperature. You might need a heater to keep the water warm. Are they powered by water?
No, it didn't say it had to be
Yeah,
warm.
it didn't
I made it
say-
warm for the kibbies, but
It didn't say anything about the actual, like, mechanics of it. I feel like that would be useful, because, like, how is it getting power? It doesn't have a spot to charge it or a battery or anything. So clearly
It has a battery, I'm sure.
it has some kind of way of having power. I presume it has something to do with the disparity in electrons between air and water, so it discharges, and then static electricity in the water allows it to stay charged. But I don't know how true that's just something I made up right now. I don't know if that's makes sense. The alternative is it's using temperature to drive some simple mechanism, though I'm not sure.
There's a sensor that detects water and a battery that it activates.
Well, it's possible, but I kind of think it would be sad to sell a product
Really?
that has a
you dropped
battery.
acid and none of this is actually happening.
The kibbies drop acid, and you're just seeing what they're seeing.
Avery!
Avery, Kippy have fishy.
I've been thinking Sunshine might actually be the one to strike, too.
Avery, Kippy have fishy.
What do you think would happen if we brought Hattie in?
She'd hiss at everybody.
That's what I was about to say.
Well, I know, but... I love how they just keep trading places and kind of moving around to watch it.
They appear to have died.
Fishies.
They just occasionally need to get taken out of the water and be sparked back to life. Give it a good shake. Now give the orange one a good shake.
Good money, Lebowski.
No, these things aren't very waterproof for water toys. We don't know how they work.
They need the water
We're
to
making
work.
theories right now. Our current best theory is that they function on acid. Like
Yeah.
The drug. Like we're all high right now.
The drug.
Drugs.
Not like battery acid.
Good.
I think if a cat had acid, it would just die. Unfortunately.
It's literal poison, so I imagine so.
Just
Oh.
poison that the human body can just barely.
There was a first tap.
Is that every drug?
That was the first tap. There was a tap.
So.
You saw your first. Oh, Daniel's thinking about being the second.
Who did it? I didn't see a tap.
But you're videoing it, aren't you?
I know, I looked up at the boys and you said there was a tap.
Oh.
Burnaby keeps running away like it's getting him.
I think he's just anxious with all the kitties around.
It was Luffy.
Yeah.
I knew. I knew she would be a contender. She didn't really pop it. She kind of touched it.
Yeah, it was the first
She's-
tap. First
She's
tap.
wily and crazy, but she's also very gentle and sweet.
Yeah, she was very gentle with it. She didn't want to hurt it. Oh, that's for you.
Hmm? Oh, yeah. Did you get all yours?
I don't know. I just saw there was one under this couch now.
I tried to keep them all together, but they were all on the back of the couch,
Oh,
and then they were on the table, then they were on the counter. There's like 20.
I love the way that they shift around the thing, get better glimpses of them.
But none of them have the bravery to jump in the water. Except Cracker.
And Sunshine.
I mean, that's not about bravery. That's about self-preservation.
There's no preservation to be had. There's a fish in the water.
Sunshine is adorable.
Well, that's how they perceive it. Steven!
Imagine if you feel yourself a hunter
Steven,
boy,
come here.
and you're in a field that's 3 feet long, and there's a deer standing in the middle of it. But you don't like getting your feet wet.
If
in the
not
grass.
friend, why friendship? Right, Kenny? We see. She's stressed. She doesn't know how to be a benevolent queen in this situation.
You just gotta be a boss over those fish when you get them. It'd be so cool if when they took it out of the water, it like flapped around for a little bit.
Lulu likes it. She thinks it's wonderful. What was that? What, you thought if you opened it slower I wouldn't hear? Yeah, mm-hmm. Can't believe.
What did he open?
Probably a Mountain Dew.
I saw this Baja Mountain Dew. We have it's red, white, and dew or whatever. It's American Dew.
Uh-huh.
She's like, nah.
She's like, that's not... Why are we having warm water? Gammy, where's my ice? They're so spoiled.
They're not moving, so we can drink their water.
Maybe that's the plan. We just all drink all of the water and then we'll be able to get the fish.
Drink all the water in the pool.
Drink all the water in the fish.
Fish.
Oh, is that Lulu or Gary thinking about it?
Oh, what I want to see is them
That was Gary.
pulling them out of the
Lulu's
water
right there papping
themselves,
them.
but I don't think they're gonna do it. Gabby's look.
She's like, okay, so we beat it. Shake it.
You just drop it in the water. Drop it in the water.
Put it towards one of them while it's shaking. Put it towards one of them.
Like in the water?
No, like go up to them with it. Yeah. Uh-oh. Weezy said, forget this, I'm going to my food bowl.
She got hungry looking at the fishies.
Mm-hmm. Get it, Danny. Get it. Pretty, go get the fishy. Swim, little fishy, swim if you can.
Swim away from that giant frog.
We'll see what they're called so I can look up how they work.
Kitty can't fathom the idea that there could just be a big battery in there.
Well, there couldn't be a big battery. They're not big.
I mean, 2/3 of the inside of it.
I love
could
how
be
they slow
battery.
down and all of a sudden they jet forward. It's like
Yeah.
realistic.
And sometimes they go up and sometimes they stay down.
Mm-hmm. Sunny girl thought to do it. She's like, come near me. Riri, what do you think?
You don't know what to think, Lulu?
Nope. She got a snoot full of water.
It's that video where a cat just kept doing that, like sticking its face in the water.
Oh, jeez.
Coming up all looking like panicked, you know? Go in with your paw, not your nose, silly. Not your nose, go in with your paw. You never saw Kenny use
So
his
they got
nose.
Clankers doing the fish's job now.
What?
They got Clankers doing the fish's job now.
Hey. That's racist or whatever.
Sorry, Clank. I shouldn't say it hard.
That's specious or what would it be? Either way. It's ist. It's something ist.
Robofish need at least 40 gallons of water to survive. That poor thing. All these jokes.
We're
are so funny.
torturing them.
What I want to know is how it works. It seems that it does have a cell battery. It's just they deactivate after a while of being in the water. So
Keep running on battery.
Really? It's like shocking it. And so it's twitching around to look like it's swimming. It's like what they do to the Mexican jumping beans.
I totally thought that it was working on the temperature of the water or some sort of.
Next, we'll get them a real
Electronic
octopus to look at.
Look at Cracker! Oh my gosh. He just started biting the edge of the cage.
Cage.
For
Did I tell you you're gonna have a break? Get to work. Come on, get to work.
They actually need to be taken out of the water to
I know.
realize, oh hey,
I
I need to
know.
work more.
Do the dang thing. Did you see Riri over here stood up like a meerkat? It's like, whoa, Gammy.
We know exactly which ones are food motivated now. Look at over there.
Yeah,
they're
I know.
They're all.
Burnaby took up shop on the food. Burnaby James, hi. He doesn't know what to do. He said there's some imposters in the house and. Don't make any quick movements there, Ken. If you scared him.
There's imposters in the house. Don't you mean that something fishy's going on here?
Have you seen the kid making does it pasta videos? Oh my gosh, he made pasta out of
Green beans. I don't know.
burrito.
Out of what?
Burrito. He made pasta out of
Oh my gosh, everything. Anything.
Oh, Berea. Oh, yeah.
Korea, yeah. He pasta Cheetos.
Ew. That sounds like a federal offense.
He does it pasta to everything though. It's like but his videos always start out something like pasta's flour and eggs. But what if
Yeah. Yeah, for years there's been will it this or will it that, like will it waffle. And lately one of the creators I watch has been doing a will it funnel cake.
ooh Philly cheesesteak funnel cake? Ooh.
I don't know what she did last. I know it flipped. I didn't want to watch it. It was something that wasn't like the first one she did with like Sprite, you know. Danny, what's going on, huh? What's up, guys? Oh my word! What's the haps?
Cracker, get him. Get him, Cracker, yeah.
I love how Lulu's just laying on her side watching them. So cute.
Get him, Cracker. Get him from the top, Cracker. Get him from the top. They won't expect it. Get him from the top now. She's like, I'm too lazy.
Can I?
Yeah.
Could you look up a Pixel of Quest 1, but I don't have I can't look. A Pixel of Quest. Just a Pixel of Quest in the game. Delta 1. So, I can...
Oh.
Yes. So I can actually have a character for this. It's a me fight. A silo fight.
Hold on.
Y'all are too well fed. That's what it is. If we withheld food for a while,
Yeah.
they'd probably go for it.
Oh, she's licking the water. Yeah, if we just drink all this water, they'll have to come out.
Sunny girl, you got thirsty? Where? Oh, Weezy's up here being benevolent, of course. Pretty girl. Uh-oh. Lulu's falling asleep. That is so cute. She was just like, oh, she woke up because I laughed.
What the heck?
Is that other one? Uh-oh. Did they die?
Yeah, but I kind of want to see what happens while they're not moving for a minute.
Yeah. Look up below.
Yeah, she's so sweet. She says, I'm trying to lull them into comfort so they think I'm asleep.
He's the only one that really likes to have actual belly rubs.
Oh, that's not true. Daniel loves it.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
It turned off, can I?
Okay.
Tap it occasionally. It's going to die.
Five, 4, 3, 2.
Next time they die, I want to test exactly how long it takes for them to be out of water before they
Okay.
detect that they are
I just straight up took a picture.
being reactivated.
Oh, she did it again. She gave a little pop. Oh.
I'm gonna watch a Kibby do the fishes for a while. Oh, just food. Oh, never mind. I thought the yellow tails. A different fish. Yeah, that was there.
I'm noticing a pattern when they encounter more resistance or get stuck. It seems like they slowly move their propeller one way and then quickly the other way, so that they like rotate.
Yeah. Baby.
Like how they
He's
lick
trying to
the,
open up food.
they lick the edges.
Whisk.
It's very cute.
Look, Quist got a haircut. I'm gonna go for
Maisie's coming down. Oh, she's got it. Where'd it go?
Baloo is trying to eat it right now.
Oh.
Kenny, how do you spell fight?
There's so much hair in the water.
Kenny.
No, I don't think you can see it.
Sunshine totally just started running off with it.
F-I.
She almost got it too. She ate. If she didn't drop it, I grabbed it. Leafy, you're sweet.